your room?
I go where I want.
Awesome.
Turk, everything's wrong again.
Baby, it's cool meeting with the cake guy tomorrow.
Nothing's cool. Nothing's cool.
Okay.
The centerpieces are supposed to be cupids, but they have no arrows, so now they're just fat babies. I have 187 people who RSVP'd yes for 125 seat wedding. Plus, I have to wear my grandmother's choker, but with my hair up, it makes me look like one of those African tribeswomen with a coil around my neck.
Okay, first off, you best be nice to my cousin and Fume. Second, baby, if we have too many guests, you can uninvite some people.
Really?
Really. It'll be fine. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. See how good that feels? Now take another one. Take another one.
Are you watching my boobs?
Deep breath. Thank you, Shirley. Give it all the hell, Bob. I cannot believe you turn this hospital into some money-making machine that coerces people into spending their hard-earned cash on expensive procedures that they don't even need.
Why not? Sounds like something I do.
You mark my words, if one single person gets a full-body scan, I will kiss your ring.
I'll take that bet, champ. You're our witness, Laverne.
Now they're excited, bro.